Box number 1 of 5. Get your stuff together. Let's do the unboxing here and check this great product out. Great packing. Rails for the wall, hanging rails. Hanging bin wall. Just like that. Look at that. And so on and so forth. Isn't that great? That's going to go right up here. Either right here or right here. Okay. Here we go. First, I'd like to say the Omniwall instruction manual that they give you is very clear, it's very precise, it's very helpful. They give you very good hardware, wall anchors, screws, they give you plenty. The screws are top grade and work very well. Now, on this installation it's a little bit different. This installation is a sheetrock wall on top of a tongue and groove pine wall. That means the whole wall is wood behind the sheetrock. So I don't really need the anchors. I won't need the anchors that come with them. But the screws will work perfectly. This will be the wall that I'm going to start on. From this wall, I'm going to work to that wall right there. And then after that, I will be going across the top of the whole wall down to the far end of the shop, but you'll see that as it's coming. Okay. Here's where we're going to start. Okay, you're going to find that my method of installation is slightly different than you find in the Omniwall manual. I learned this by putting up this wall and that wall, being as there's solid wood behind there. So let's get going. When I install it, I have a magnetic level and a top track. I take the magnetic level, put it on the top track, and I follow from where I started, right there. I put it right next to the other track on that wall, come up here, get it level, and here we go. Another screw. Now that the top rail is up and level, using the magnetic level, now that that's level, I take one panel, I put a bottom rail on the panel. I put the panel clips in, but I don't lock them down yet. I put them in, but I don't lock them down. Now, I take the panel and I hang it on the top rail. I slide it to the position it goes. I take another top clip, find a hole, and put it in there temporarily, just to hold it in place. Now I know it's in place. I know this is level because the top is level. I take a screw, put it in this corner, right here. Take out the top clip, take out the two bottom clips, slide the panel over, put my level back on it, make sure it's still level, take a screw, one more screw in the middle. And that's how I start. Slide it back to where it goes. Put the clips back in. Put the clips back in. Get a second panel, hang it up there. Slide it over. I still don't lock them down. I always wait just in case. They can be removed with this tool. It's another Omniwall tool. Okay, now we have two in. They're locked in. Solid as a rock. Solid as a rock. So from here on in, I'm just going to install the rest of it, and Nick, you'll understand what I'm doing when you see it. Thank you.
Holy mackerel! This place looks incredible! Last time I was here, it looked like a bomb hit it. I'll tell you what. Impressive. Quite impressive. Looks like you used all the area in this place to show your stuff. I'll tell you what. What'd you say the name of this company was? Omni who? Oh, there it is right there on the wall. Omniwall. And as I turn, here it is right here. Omniwall. I'll tell you what. It's unbelievable. You know, you need a jingle. And you know what it's going to be? Standing tall, standing tall, standing tall with Omniwall. Yeah.